Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-content development project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn product life cycle.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-content on marketing management. Today we are going to learn product life cycle. As mankind, our life is divided into several stages like the birth, before that the pregnancy even. Then after birth, we have got childhood, we have got teenage, we have got youngsters, young age, we have got middle age, we have got elderly, and the death. Similar way, products even have got a life cycle and stages. Product life cycle stages are divided on the basis of sales and profits. On the basis of sales, if you try to divide the product life cycle, the graph sales and profit versus time is drawn over here. Let us say 4 stages are there on the basis of sales. The first graph, the above graph. The first graph talks about the first stage, that is what is the introduction stage. The second stage, that is what is the growth stage. The third stage, that is what is the maturity stage. And the fourth stage, that is what is the decline stage. These 4 stages are based on normal assumptions that cells will go like this, this and this. Initial stage, when product has got 0 time, I mean to say product is not introduced or just introduced in the market, 0 time, the sales is obviously near to 0. Several time bookings are there for several products like Apple, or several time for some time, some days or months, 0 cells even can be there. So it can go here or here, but let us say it is 0. In the initial stage, the sales is obviously low. This second graph is of profit. Profit is going down, I mean to say below zero, it's negative because advertising and personal selling and etc. expenses are much more compared to that. Well, sales is very less. So sales is not picking up, but as people become aware of the product, sales grow. And that growth is a steep one as shown over here in the figure. Simultaneously with that, profit even goes up. As time passes, the market is almost like a saturated liquid. The maturity or saturation stage comes over here and the growth is almost zero. The sales become stable. That is what is called as maturity and saturation. Like television market in India, we have got one television per house. Few of us have got each room television. That's all. Now television market is stable. Old television goes, new comes, and people purchases, exchanges it. But there is no growth. There are no new markets. And as time passes, because of several factors, for case of television, it may be IP television, or it may be internet, or it may be a computer, or it may be computer and television combined one. You say several factors are there for downgrading, diminishing, declining the products sales as well as profits. After some period of time, a new life cycle or a modified life cycle continues, or the product is not going to be continued in the market. So that is what is said as product life cycle. There are several uses of this product life cycle. Like we can assume that products have got limited life on the basis of product life cycle. We can even say that this much amount of profit, it is estimation if not accurate, that this much amount of profit can be generated out of this product life cycle. We can even have several strategies of marketing on the basis of various product life cycle stages. Like for an example, in the introduction stage, there can be scheming or penetration pricing strategy. As time goes, it may be diluted. Scheming comes down, penetration goes up. That kind of strategies can be adopted over here. So that can be there as a product life cycle and its uses. Now there are several factors which even affect over here for you can say this continuation of this life cycle and or etc. But before that, let me say product life cycle can be so narrow for several products and it may be so long for several products. Like you say that for products like technology products, it may be 6 months or a year, or you can say softwares may even come and go. But you say white toothpaste in Indian market has gone long ways and still it is in maturity stage, not declining much. Well, that depends, but it is basically a bell-shaped curve. Let us say there are several factors which affect product life cycle. Number one, rate of technological change. As we have said that if technology changes, specifically in cases of softwares and electronic gadgets and etc., product life cycle changes, products changes. You say rate of consumer acceptance. If consumers accept instantly and move from one product to another product instantly, that can be changed. You talk about entry barriers. If entry barriers are there, even you can say product life cycle cannot begin or can begin in difficulties, etc. There are several economic forces, there are several patents and copyrights, there are several factors like image of organization even affects, and risk bearing capacity of the organization even affects the product life cycle. So this is about product life cycle. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.